Hello everyone. As we discussed in the previous class about the K-map with the example of SOP, okay, with the 4 variables. Now today we will discuss the K-map of POS with the 4 variables POS. As I told you, in the POS you have to remember we are using the plus symbol and in between we are using the multiplication. Then when it is 1, then it becomes what? Bar. When it is 1, it becomes the bar. Okay. So if I take an example, with the 4 variable example, it is f of w, x, y, z is equal to, or the POS symbol is pi. Okay. Pi of pi is equal to, in bracket we should have the numbers between 0 to 15. So we'll have 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 11, 14 and 15. Okay, these are the numbers we will take. Reduce using K-map. This is the example for POS. So this is a symbol you are using, it is a pi. If it is a summation, then it is a SOP. Now as I told you, first again we should draw the K-map. We should draw the K-map with the 4 columns and 4 rows. 4 columns, 4 rows. Okay, and here again same, but here we have written summation, not summation, here pi. So w x y z is there. So w plus x, y plus z. Okay, plus symbol you take. Now 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Then the numbers 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. Next down 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. Okay, then now here as I told you, if it is 1, then it becomes the bar. Now here it is 0 0, it becomes what? W plus x. It becomes what? W plus x bar. It becomes W bar plus x bar, because 1 is also there, here is 1, so it becomes the bar. So here W bar plus x. Now in this case y plus z, y plus z bar, y bar plus z bar, y bar plus z. So this is first you have to write down the K-map. Now go to the example. So these are the numbers given. Okay, so 0 is there in the SOP you are writing 0. Now here you have to write the 1. So it is 0, you write 1, then 1, for that also 1, then 3, we written 3, then 4, we written 4, then 8, we written 8 here, then 9, we written 9 here, then 11, we written 11 here, then 14, we written 14 here, then the 15. Okay, rest will be the becomes 0. Now we have to do the mapping for these numbers. See here 0 is there, 1 is there, just have to check. 3 is there, then the 4, then the 8, then 9, then 11, then 14, then 15. Okay, then now you have to go for, as I told you, rules, that is first go for the octet, then go for the quad, then go for the pair. How many octets will happen? Then the quad, then the pair. Okay, first check for the octet. So octet means 8 combinations should have. So if you go to the row wise, here not possible. If you go to the column wise, 8 combinations will not possible anywhere. If you go for edges, these edges and these edges, see for example, if 10 is there and also 2 is there, then these 4 and these 4 becomes what? Octet. But here it is not available. So there is no octet in this example. Okay. Next go for the quad. So check for what? Row wise again. Check for the row wise. Check the row. This is the row. If it is 1 here, then it becomes quad. Now it is not there. Check for this. Not there. Check for this. It will be not there. Check for this. It is also not. Okay. Because here if it is 1, then again it will become a quad. So go for the column wise. Here it will be not there, because if it is 1 here, then it becomes 1 quad. For this it will be not there. For this also it will be not there. If it is 1 here, then it becomes again quad. If here it is not. Now you check for the row wise and also the column wise. But what will happen, as I told you, edges. Okay, you can take here. Okay, edges are these two and these two. You can make it as a, okay, edges are there. So I will take these two and these two. These are the, so you can take these two or these two also, and these two and these two also. Okay, so first we will take the edges, because these two are the nearer, so these two are the edges. So we got quad 1. We got what? Quad 1. Okay, so these two edges and these two edges becomes quad 1. Now anywhere we can go for any chords? No, because not 4 combinations will be not possible. Then the pair only. So this is remained. So we got this pair. Okay. So next here these two are there. We can do this pair. So here it will be left out. We can go for this pair. Okay. But you cannot combine this with this. We can combine with this and this. This one. Okay. So total how many pairs? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs, 4 pairs. Okay. So we got quad 1, pair 1, pair 2, pair 3 and pair 4 for this example. Okay. Now we will go reducing the expression. Quad 1, when you take the quad 1, that is these two and these two. So go for this one, that is w plus x for this, w plus x, and for this y plus z into. Next for this one, w plus x plus for this y plus z. These two and again these two. Okay, that is w bar plus x plus this one y plus z. W bar plus x plus y plus z for this. Next this one into w bar plus x plus for this y plus z. So total 4 are there. Okay, these two, adjust it. Next again, as I told you, reducing the expression, which are the common, you can take out. So w is there, take out. Okay, plus x is there in these two, x is there common, then y is there common, remained is z plus z into symbol. Then plus take these two into, take these two, w bar is common, plus x is common, plus y is common. Okay, remained is z plus z. So z plus z bar becomes 1. What you got? W plus x plus y into w bar plus x plus y. So again check any similar combinations. Means here these two, if you take x is the common plus y is the common, remained is what? W plus w bar. So lastly it becomes x plus y. You got x plus y for quad 1. Okay. When you go for the next one, pair 1. So when you go to the pair 1, so pair 1, we will take this one. 1 and 3. So here w plus x plus y plus z bar into 3, it is w plus x plus y bar plus z bar. Okay, so again take the common, w is the common, x is the common, then which is there, anything, z bar is the common. Okay, so remained is into y plus y bar. So y plus y bar is 1, so it becomes w plus x plus z bar. Okay, this is the pair 1. So when you go to the pair 2, pair 2 is what? This is the pair 1 you take this pair 2, you can take anything, no problem. Okay, so pair 2 I am taking this one now. So w bar plus x bar for this, w bar plus x bar plus for this y bar plus z bar into for this now w bar plus x bar plus this one y bar plus z. So they take again the common, which is the common, w bar is common plus x bar is common plus w bar plus x, for this w bar plus x bar and y bar plus z bar. Okay, so here not z bar, for this z, see this y plus z. Okay, so see w bar is common, y bar, x bar is common, y bar is common, remained is z plus z. So what you got? W bar plus x bar plus y bar for the pair 2. Okay, next when you go for the, I will write it here, like this. When you go to the pair 3, when you go to the pair 3, I will take pair 3 for this one, these two, 9 and 11. So w bar plus x, w bar plus x and y plus z bar to this one 11, w bar plus x plus this one y bar plus z bar. So take again common, w bar is the common plus x is the common plus z bar is the common, remained is y plus y bar. So what you got? W bar plus x plus z bar. This is for the pair 3, this is for the pair 2, sorry pair 1, this is for the pair 2. So lastly there is another one, that is pair 4. Okay, write it here. First again you should have pair 4. So what is the pair 4? This is the pair 4 will remain, 0 and 4. So w plus x plus 0, that is y plus z. Then this one w plus x bar, then that is you are again 4, that is y plus z, y plus z. So take the common in this, w is a common, then y is a common, z is a common. So remained is x plus x bar. X plus x bar becomes 1. Whatever the remain, w plus y plus z. So this is for the fourth pair. Now we got quad 1, we got pair 1, we got pair 2, we got pair 3, we got pair 4. So you have to do the like this expression, you have to reduce it. Finally what you should write, as I told you, f is equal to, this is the final expression, f is equal to quad is x plus y to first pair 1 w plus x plus z bar, w plus x plus z bar, then pair 2 w bar plus x bar plus y bar, then into this is the pair 2, pair 3 is here, that is w bar plus x plus z bar into fourth one, fourth pair w plus y plus z. Okay, this is the final expression we got for this particular example. Okay, so what we did, you have to remember in the POS, when you go to the particular K mapping, plus is very important, and wherever the numbers you should write 1. And here also when you are reducing the expression, plus is inside, outside multiplication. Okay, so in this example we got only one quad and 4 pairs. We are not getting any octave. Okay, like this you can do any example. Okay, and here one thing you should remember, I written pair 1 is this one, pair 2 is this one, pair 3 is this one, and pair 4 is this one. So we can interchange also, no problem. Okay, but the answer should come same. Okay, so if you are writing this as a pair 1, no problem. This as a pair 2, it will be no problem. But the expression should be same. Okay, it should not change. Okay, as this is a K-map for the POS example. Okay, in the previous we discussed about the SOP example, and for now we discussed K-map for the POS example. Both are very important. Okay, in the next class we discuss with the another topic. Thank you very much.